Carbon is one of the main building blocks essential to forming life. Carbon compounds are contained in every living organism. The carbon cycle is a process where carbon is exchanged between different areas and life forms of the Earth, such as the atmosphere, biosphere, plants, and animals. Carbon exists in the atmosphere in the form of CO2 or carbon dioxide. Plants can receive this carbon dioxide, as well as few other reactants, and can undergo photosynthesis to create glucose. This glucose is a sugar that stores energy for later use. The chemical formula for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O into 6CH12O6 plus 6O2 plus carbon dioxide plus water into glucose plus oxygen. During photosynthesis, carbohydrates are formed, another form of carbon. Plants can also release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere through respiration. The chemical formula for respiration is 6CH12O6 plus 6O2 into 6CO2 plus 6H2O, or glucose plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water. It's essentially the reverse of photosynthesis. Animals eat plants for the energy and the glucose. They can release the carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere through respiration. Excretion for the animals and the decay from the dead plants and animals gather, and they are turned into fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are burned off in factories, and the carbon is released as carbon dioxide and the greenhouse gases such as methane. Bacteria and fungi related to the waste and the decay of these animals and plants release carbon dioxide into the air through respiration as well. Oceans contain the greatest amount of the cycled carbon. Carbon enters the ocean mainly through dissolving carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is converted into carbonate. It also enter the oceans through rivers as dissolved carbon. Plants in the water can undergo photosynthesis, and organisms in the water can release the carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere through respiration. Overall, the carbon cycle is important to life on Earth. It is the way the Earth produces food and other resources, and is essentially the Earth's waste disposal system. Did you find the hidden chicken?